Crochet the Flower Bouquet Blanket Tutorial Part 1.
In this video, we will learn to crochet in a bouquet blanket. I'm using 2 strands of yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. For the carnation blanket in my channel, I was using 1 strand of 8-ply yarn and the hook size was 3.5mm. Let's start with the magic circle. This is how I crochet in the magic circle. You may have a different way to start the magic circle, and it's okay. But if you're only new in crochet and like to learn the way I'm doing, you can reduce the speed and repeat the video until you know how to crochet in the magic ring. If you have any questions, leave in a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's start the first round. I will make 12 double crochets in the magic circle. Let's start the first double crochet. Insert the hook into the ring. Grab your yarn from underneath, then bring it back up. Then yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. That create the single crochet. Pull the yarn a little bit longer on your hook. Turn the hook like this. Grab the yarn and turn the way back. And pull the yarn over 2 loops. Now we make 1 double crochet. We need to make 12 double crochet in the magic circle. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over 2 loops and the rest of 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook into magic circle, pull the yarn over 2 loops and then the rest of the 2 loops. We need to make 12 double crochet in the magic circle. Now we have 12 double crochets and pull the yarn. Then we need to do the slip stitch into the first double crochet. Insert the hook into the first double crochet. Pull the yarn over. Slip stitch 1 chain. Now that's our first round finished. In this round we need to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. The first double crochet will be same like in the last round. Make a single crochet and then pull the yarn longer. Second double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1. First double crochet. And second double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1 and follow the pattern until you finish. We make a double crochet in the first stitch. The way to make a double crochet will be same like previous round. 1 double crochet and make 2 double crochet in the second stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1. Two double crochet in the second stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1. One double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1. Follow this pattern until you finish this round. Now this is the last double crochet in the round, chain 1 and slip stitch to join to the first double crochet. Slip stitch, chain 1. Round 4. There are 3 double crochet between 2 chains. Make 1 double crochet in the first stitch. So make a 1 single crochet first and pull the yarn longer to the hook and pull the yarn back and pull over 2 loops and make 2 double crochet in the second stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and for the third one make just 1 double crochet. Chain 1. So in this group, 3 double crochet from last round become 4 double crochet. 1 double crochet from the first stitch, 2 double crochet from the second stitch. 1, 2, and there's only 1 double crochet from the third stitch. Chain 1. Follow the pattern and finish this round. And use a slip stitch to join to the first double crochet. Please subscribe and I'll update the rest of the tutorial in the following days. Thank you.